Did you know you can merge two dictionaries in Python with just one line of code? It's true, and it's a game changer. Stick around to see how easily you can simplify your code. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful feature in Python, merging dictionaries. If you work with data, you know how crucial it is to keep things organized. Dictionaries are perfect for that, but what do you do when you need to combine two or more? Let me show you a couple of ways to do this, including a method that will make you wonder how you ever coded without it. Now, merging dictionaries sounds simple, but it can be tricky. Imagine you have two dictionaries with overlapping keys. How do you handle that without losing data? It's a common issue, and if you're not careful, you could overwrite valuable information, definitely something you want to avoid. Let's start with the traditional method, using the update function. It works, but it's not always the most elegant solution. Here's how it looks. Dictionary 1 equal this, for example. Dictionary 2 equal this, for example. Dictionary 1, update to Dictionary 2. Print Dictionary 1. This method modifies Dictionary 1 in place of overlapping keys. The value Dictionary 2 will overwrite those in Dictionary 1. But what if you don't want to modify the original dictionary? That's where newer Python features shine. Python 3.5 and above, you can use the unpacking operator to merge dictionaries in a clean and concise way. Merged underscore dictionary equal dictionary 1, dictionary 2, print merged underscore dictionary. And if you're using Python 3.9 or later, it gets even easier with this operator. Merged underscore dictionary equal dictionary 1 operator dictionary 2, print merged underscore dictionary. Both methods return a new dictionary, leaving your original dictionaries untouched. If there's a key collision, the value from the second dictionary takes precedence. Let's see these in action. Suppose we have Dictionary 1 and Dictionary 2. Using the traditional method, Dictionary 1 up to the Dictionary 2. This will give you, but if you want a new merged dictionary, either use merged underscore dictionary equal Dictionary 1, Dictionary 2, or merged underscore dictionary equal Dictionary 1 operator Dictionary 2. Both will result in merging dictionaries in Python can be done in various ways, each with its advantages. Whether you use the traditional update method, the unpacking operator, or the latest vertical bar operator, the choice depends on your specific needs and the version of Python you're using. So next time you're merging dictionaries, pick the method that works best for you and enjoy cleaner, more efficient code. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Python insights. And hey, drop a comment below sharing your favorite Python tricks. I'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching and keep coding.